Hello and welcome to Travel Secrets by V. My name is Vanessa, but you can call me V. Today's secret is about how to maintain a beautiful garden while you're out of town. And to be honest, even if you never leave home, this system is still going to be beneficial for you. We all know that watering plants can be time consuming, and sometimes we even forget. Now that could be detrimental to your plants, especially if you live in a hot place like I do. I live in Colorado. It gets really hot and dry here in the summer. It's unbelievable. Okay, if you don't water your plants maybe once or twice a day, they're gonna simply wither out and die. Your lawn can go from completely green to completely yellowed in just a matter of days here. It's insane. Now, no matter where you live, you're still gonna have to water. You may not need to water as much as I do, but you're still gonna have to do it. So why not make it as easy as possible? The system that I'm going to show you today is going to make this super easy for you, and you are never going to have to worry about watering your lawn again. It's called the Melnor RainCloud Smart Watering System. This allows you to water your lawn anywhere in the world where you have an internet connection. All you need to do is log into the app and start watering whichever section of your lawn that you want to water. Now, this is nice because you can also program it so that it will water your lawn at specific times of the day, and then you won't even have to think about it again. It'll just water itself and everything gets done naturally. Out of the box, you get this. This is going to be the Melnor valve system. This is really nice because you can hook up to 4 different hoses to water different sections of your lawn. You will also get a control unit, a power adapter, and an internet cable. This system is super easy to set up. All you need to do is plug everything in. Make sure that you put 4 AA batteries into this valve unit. They do not come with the system. You will have to purchase those separately. Now, all the links that you're going to need to create this watering system are going to be listed below, including the Melnor watering valve. I'm going to show you how to hook everything up so that your garden can get watered beautifully every single time. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this registered. Once that's done, I'm going to show you how to set it up outside. So let's get started. Now that I've registered my Melnor RainCloud valve unit, I'm ready to set up my watering system. For this side of my garden, I've picked the landscape drip system. Now the reason why I've picked this drip system is because if you look at my blueberry plants here, I've got a lot of space in between. I don't want to water the space in between because if I do, I'm going to encourage a whole lot of weeds to grow, and I really don't want that. I just want my blueberry plants to grow. So I just need to focus all my water on the blueberry plants. Now to do that with the drip system, you simply run the hose, the main hose along your plants, and then you take this little punch that comes with the holes, you punch a hole into your hose, and then you go ahead and install this little mini drip system. This is going to drip water at about half a gallon per hour at the base of each of your plants. It's going to allow the water to penetrate deep down into the soil so that it waters your plants all the way down to the bottom of the roots. Now, if you have plants that are spread out a little bit further than your main line, what you do is you take this little mini hose, you punch a hole into your main line, you put the mini hose in, and then you go ahead and put a little dripper on the end, just like you did on the other ones, and then you run this hose all the way over to the plant where that needs to be watered. So if you're watering rows like I am here with my rows of peas, you're not going to want to use a drip system for that. You're actually going to want to use a soaker hose. It's more efficient because with the soaker hose, you can actually water the entire row of plants all at the same time. So here I have my soaker hose that runs here in between my rows. You can see it, and then I've gone ahead and covered it with mulch because this will help to keep the water in. Now that we've hooked up all of our watering systems, we're ready to hook it up to our watering valve. Hook up each one of your hoses to one of the valves. Make sure you take note of which valve you're connecting to each hose so that it'll be easier to program later. Now the beauty about this unit is if ever you need to fill up water for some type of reason, if you need to wash your car or if you need to fill up a bucket, you can actually turn any one of these valves on simply by pressing the button, and the valve will turn on. Now if you want to turn it off, press the button to turn it off. takes a second before it turns off or on. And then you're ready to go. So now let's go program this thing. Programming is super easy. Simply go to the RainCloud app from any mobile device, go to the Program tab, select which zone that you want to water, and then select which kind of watering you would like to do. The first programming is simple. It allows you to water your zone for a certain amount of time every day, or if you want to do it every other day, that works as well, and this will turn itself on at a specific time whenever you want it to. If you need to water on specific days of the week, for example on Sunday and on a Wednesday, you will need to do this in advanced programming. This system also has an eco mode, which will turn the water on and off during your watering cycle, which will allow the water to penetrate deep into the roots instead of pooling on top. From the home page, you can turn any of the valves on or off from anywhere in the world for up to an hour, and if the weather calls for rain, you can delay the timer for up to 7 days from anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to see when my next travel secret comes out. Thanks again.